Hey guys, today I got an alert over my phone, and an emergency alert, and it really made it go beep, and it kind of startled me. I gotta say that, because I was just getting ready to record a video for YouTube, and I just hear this buzzing noise, and I'm like, what is that? I hope something's not blowing up, like my electrical equipment. But then I looked at my phone, and I was kind of like, whoa, emergency alert. But it got me thinking, when would they ever use this? And it said below it is like, okay, if this was a real emergency, then you would be getting instructions as to what to do. Well, what would really be happening that you would need to have this emergency alert? And that's my question to you guys. What would have to happen for them to use this? And if it was that dire, would you really want to know? Like, I'm guessing if the country was under attack, I'm guessing that if that happened, then that's when they would use this. But if anything else happened, like the zombie apocalypse, or let's say a meteorite, or meteor, I guess, was going to hit the earth and just, wipe us all out, would you really want to know that that was about to happen? Because we get weather alerts, right? We get warnings about fires in the area from the fire department and stuff like that. So what use is that emergency alert? What use is it? And I'm just curious for your guys' inputs, because when it comes down to it, I can't think of many other than the fact that it's got to be the end. All right. I shouldn't be laughing about that. That's not nice. That's not nice. All right. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. That's it. My name is James, and you're watching Mirror Domains. If you liked what you've seen, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. God, I missed this.